Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you didn't know, now you know. So we are going to be analyzing some pair which is GBPUSD, EURJPY, EURGBP, and yeah, that is the pairs we are analyzing. Just those four pairs. Like all the all the forecasts I've been given in this channel. They are all like seriously. It's mind blowing. We are getting the bag. Like if you really took those trades that I prospected in the last video, like I said just yesterday, we made like really, I told you guys I was in a sell in this. Like just yesterday we made 39 pips. Like it's literally mad. It's literally mad. Okay, so and yeah, I'll just show you the pairs that we won yesterday. See, EURGBP. Yeah, we won this trade. This trade was we won this trade. Like I told you guys that if you do not get the reaction that you want here, like we're not seeing blue candlesticks. And as far as we're not seeing blue candlesticks on this area, we have to just sell the market down. Like we've just been getting the bag, like the bag. And yeah, which other pair did I go into that day? EURUSD. Yes, this trade was mad. If you guys could remember when I told you guys, mind this key area. You know what? Price did react to that area. For sure. Like price reacted to that area. You guys could see it. So that's just a preview of what we did yesterday that worked. So if you're not subscribed to this channel for daily forecast, please do that, because if you don't, you're missing a lot. Seriously, you're missing a lot. So that's about it. So I'm beginning today's forecast. Yeah, let me just get into the video. So first off, let me just start with the pair I'm seeing right here. So EURUSD. In case you were not here for the the analysis of yesterday where I broke everything down top notch. So let me just go to the daily time frame to show you guys what I saw before I plan on taking this trade. So I was just I drew my trend line. I found out that price broke the trend line. Then as I found out that price broke the trend line, I was like, okay, let me see what's up, what's popping in the 4 hours. So I had to go to the 4 hours. I was like, okay, like yeah, most of the time you see price breaking out of the trend line and price retesting the trend line, and that's what exactly happened. We broke the trend line, and I was like, okay, look at this place of concentration where price has been rejecting for a while. So I had to keep it here. Then price reacted to it. So if you saw that trade, yeah, you made honestly you made 54 pips. Like we literally make 100 pips a day. So it's not something to be argued. So let's just go down. Let's start. You can't boast about your old profits as because you were last good the last time you take a trade. Okay, so let's get back into it. So what do we see here? Like literally we can see a higher low. And remain on drawing mode. Oh, sorry, this is a lower high. This is a lower high. Then you can see a lower low. Let me call this place lower low. Then you can see a lower high. So what are we expecting? We are expecting price to break this this support over here. So once price breaks this support, you can just start looking for scaling down, because this is a selling market. So let me just try to give my own perspective on where I think the market will get down to. Let's go to the daily time frame, because it's the daily time frame that will break everything down for us. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. I think I could. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen this smile, so that when I get confused, I just use it. It's a regression trend. This has been a fire. Like case you don't know where the trend is going, just use this. It's just marketability enough for you. So let me just follow it up. That's not right. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. So yeah, you see we are still in this trend. So let me go to the 4H. If more likely than not, sometimes you do have an experience of price breaking this, breaking this, still breaking, it's a breakout and break back in. So I would advise you guys, if you guys are taking this trade, just take a sell stop entry, sell stop entry, and watch price make lower low, lower high, and every other thing to maybe we get to this point over here, because we're still in the uptrend. This should take days before price gets to here. So what you guys should be doing, just set yourself sell stop entry here, then set your stop loss, and make sure it's 1 to 3. I don't yeah, just set yourself sell stop this then sell stop entry, and make sure you're taking a 1 to 3 risks to reward ratio trade in order to make profit. So for price to get down this lows, it's going to take high amount of days. So yeah, let's go to another pair. Okay, let's go to EURGBP. EURGBP, remember that yeah, we have gotten to this level where we are, and let me try to show you guys something. What do we see here? Rejection, right? You see here again, rejection. Then that's mostly mean that likely than not we are going to have a push forward here. So let me just make this, we're going to have a push up here, more likely than not. Yeah, more likely I have a push up there. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame, and you can see that price is once price seriously, what I'll tell you guys is use a buy stop entry. Buy stop entry once price gets get above to this size. Buy stop entry at this size, at this area. I don't know, just use a buy stop entry, but make sure that your stop loss is within this area here. Come on, let me use this within this area, around this area here. So yeah, that's just it. So use a buy stop entry. Make sure it's above this 2 candle wick, because our prospect on this trade is going up. Price should start making higher highs and lower highs as part of an uptrend. So let's watch out for that, but I won't say buy the market now. But if you are interested in buying the market, you can just keep your stop loss right here and buy it over there. But make sure you're using a good lot size as opposed to your balance. Okay, so let's dive into another pair, EURJPY. And of course, we've gotten to that. Remember when I told you guys I was in that trade? Yeah, I've seen that trade. Like I take all these trades that I analyze. I take all per day. So if you guys followed me in this trade, Okay, so let's go to the 4H time frame as to see where the price is going. Okay, so let's go to the 4H. Oh yeah, as you can see, price has not really gotten to it's a key area. Nah, price has not gotten there. So really, what? Let me go to the 1 hour time frame again to check something. Okay, really, we're really seeing something. So as opposed to that, I would still say no. Don't think of buys yet. Oh, really, this is complicating. Wait, okay, wait. Let me make few adjustments. We can see this area here. This is a key area, like literally from here to here, like from this range, is a key area. So, like, if in case price gets to this area, you have to be watching, because price can do this. Let me give you guys this idea. Like, price could do this, like this, break, retest, continue. You get what I mean? So this is what price can do, or price could do this. Where is that tool? Yeah. Or price could do this, which is done. It's done this red candlestick here. You get what I mean? So if price just breaks this, if once price breaks this, this high, let me see, resistance here, this one here, I would think that we are going out from a downtrend to an uptrend. You understand what I mean? Like, price could still come here and respect it and still break this lows, or price could come here, respect it, and go down. So I'll say don't trade EURJPY for now until you see extra confirmations of price respecting here. So how do we know that price is respecting here? That's when, if you haven't seen a candlestick video, like a video explaining candlesticks, you guys can just let me down, so I will just upload a video on candlesticks. Yeah, so when I mean watch out for confirmations, you guys will understand what I mean. You understand? Like, you guys will understand what I mean when I mean watch out for candlesticks, prospection or something. So that's it. So if you see weak rejections and a strong bearish candle appearing at this area, what do? You sell the market. And if you see candlestick wicks and a strong red candlestick, you sell the market to this low and take your profit. Don't be greedy. Take your profit and see what happens in this area. If price respects it, see those candlesticks again and see a strong bullish candle, can still take the trade up there. If you guys get what I mean. Yeah. So that's about it. Like, and this area here, like, so I'm not giving you guys the direct bias, but I'm giving you guys what you guys should watch out for. So that's about it. So let's go into another pair. Let's go to another pair. So let's go to, we've done EURGBP, right? EURGBY. We've done EURUSD. Let me check something. Yeah, as opposed to that, yeah, we've done EURUSD. So let's go to GBPUSD. Yeah, I was simply marking out things. I was doing the pre-analysis. I was making a video, but editing, you don't go straight away. You make mistakes, then you record and every other thing. So that's about it. So I saw we're really stalling out here, but I'm not saying there's a change in trend. We are still in an uptrend. Don't get confused. So if you see what is happening here, uptrend, right? Price respecting here, price getting to this area, like still in an uptrend, don't get confused. So what I'll tell you guys on GBPUSD is, let's wait for price to get to this area. Okay, I want to ask you guys a question. What does price make after a higher high? What do we make in an uptrend? So leave that in the comment box, as I would love to see you guys I want to see you guys comment on that. So like we have gotten to this, like we are literally waiting for price to get to this area and see how price reacts to it. So you can just let's scale lower. Why I use this to trend line over here, or this lines over here, is because we can simply come here and reject off and shoot up like this, then we get to our trend line. Let me expand this. I don't know whether I'm expanding it in the right way. Let me go to the 4-inch time frame. Okay, yeah, I've just expanded it. So we want to see how price reacts to this area here. If we get the confirmation that we need, weak rejection and a strong bullish candlestick at this area, then you can literally take a buy to this area. So that's our target. So once we get to this target, we start looking for sales. That is, we'll wait for confirmations as to taking a sell. So if you guys love this video, just subscribe, turn on the notification, as when I'll be dropping in a trade, as when I'll be dropping daily forex forecast for you guys. You guys can just take the trade and get the bag every day. So I want to thank you guys for staying to the end of this video, and have yourself a good trading day. And don't forget, click the subscribe button, turn on the notification.